Om Namah Shivaya. Here was saying extremely very rarest freak Cowry shell from Indian Ocean. In 1 in the million only you get like this conchs. 1 in the million only you get like this conchs. It is all extremely very powerful and solve all your problems. By having this conch with you, it will remove all negative energy and it will solve all your problems and makes you very happy. Freak Cowry conchs from Indian Ocean. 1 in the million, in 10 lakh one pieces only you will get like this one free Cowry conches. Very very rarest collection. All are unshaped, all conches will be unshaped. See, now you are seeing back side, it will be totally different from the normal conches. Free Cowry conches from Indian Ocean will remove all negative energy and solve all your problem facing, gives huge success to you. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Very very unique collection. 1 in the million, only 1 in the million only you get like this conches. Only 1 in the million only you get like this conches. All are very very unique. Very unique freak Cowry conches from Indian Ocean will solve your problems and makes you very happy. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.